Hello folks, welcome back to another short review. Today I'm going to be reviewing my very first Bf 109, and definitely not the last Bf 109 that I'll ever build. This kit was painted with full acrylic paint. This is an Airfix kit and it's in 1:72 scale. I was still not very experienced with painting. This is painted with enamel, partly acrylic. Only the top is really acrylic, but mostly enamel paint. It was a very good kit. I really did enjoy building this as my first Bf 109. I think it was really good. I definitely recommend this one to beginners, but it doesn't actually come with paint. So I would recommend you maybe building Dogfight Doubles collection, which is one of my first reviews I ever did on this channel. If you're more advanced, I'd recommend using maybe an airbrush or something, because sometimes building these lines are actually quite difficult to do, or at least trying to build them properly, because you can see, yeah, I didn't pay much attention and the lines aren't very neat. At least I didn't fog up the canopy though, so that's a good thing. A kit I will definitely recommend for beginners or advanced modelers. The prop doesn't move, not in my kit it doesn't, but it might move in yours if you actually look after it. Yeah, the enamel paint seeped into the gaps and hardened everything up, so that's unfortunate. But all in all, I think it's an absolutely fantastic kit. I had no problems building it. The only part actually that might be a little bit tricky is the exhausts. The exhausts aren't really, I don't know, like the way they're constructed on the sprue tree, you really have to like file them down because they don't fit in straight away. So that is just something to note. But other than that though, I think it was an absolutely fantastic kit. Yeah, and it is small as well, so it's something small that you can fit on your shelf as well, or in the palm of your hand. Alright folks, hopefully you enjoyed this short little review of my first ever Bf 109, and the first of many. I have now about 4 of them, and I wouldn't be surprised if I build more of them, because they're just fantastic. It's my favorite aircraft, so yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this short little review, and I'll see you in the next review. Goodbye.